How to recover old accounts on Subway servers. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to recover old accounts on Subway servers. First, ensure your Facebook and Google Play Games accounts are properly connected to your device. Next, verify that you're logged in to the correct accounts. Now open Subway servers and go to the Options menu in the game. Here, look for options to connect your account to Google Play Games or Facebook and ensure these settings are enabled. If the issue persists, contact Subway Servers support team. Provide as much information as possible, such as your old login details, associated email addresses, or transaction receipts to help them locate and recover your account. Sometimes reinstalling the game resolves connectivity issues. Before doing so, ensure your game data is backed up to avoid losing progress. Finally, double-check that both your device's operating system and Subway servers are updated to their latest versions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.